Welcome to Upside Down's first initiative. I'm happy to announce that I'm starting a charity game development which has the goal of collecting money for different charities and create awesome games and tutorials while doing it. I want quickly to run over the webpage and also to introduce you what you can expect in the upcoming months. First, I want to talk a little bit more about how all the money from the donations and sales are being distributed. This information can be found on how it works. And here you can see that 70% of all the donations and sales are going to be donated to a specific charity each quarter. The other 30% are going to be used for game development and as well for creating free tutorials for the Upside Down channel. In the charity tab you can find the charity which is for this quarter, and going on our Twitter account you can vote which charity we should pick next. The first one that we want to support is Charity Water, and by clicking on the charity link you can read a little bit more about the foundation and as well what is our goal. In the game tab you can find all the information about the upcoming projects and all the games that we are going to be developing. The first game that I'm starting development on is named Battle Rat, and it's going to be a first-person shooter with a multiplayer arena for death and team deathmatches. By clicking on the game you can see a little bit more information, buy the game, and as well the development timeline. Also you will be able to follow on the webpage all the development updates. As well, you're gonna be able to see them every week on the Upside Down channel. I'll be recording the majority of the development process of the game, and I'll be posting 1 or 2 videos each week. I hope that you will like my initiative and support our charities either by donating or buying some of our games. As an end note, I want to say that Charity Games has an idea of creating better world and bringing entertainment and educational value to the people that support it. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, see you in next video.